Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia.
Expertly done, Ruben. I'm impressed. I'm doing well. I'm excited. It's been a while since I've done one of these.
It is.
You've summoned me down to the new studio. I'm excited for a big unboxing. What have you got?
We have... there's nothing here. What have I done? We've got a table.
Good stuff. What's the story?
It's not just me being unorganised. We have the 2023 Kookaburra launch day today, without the 2023 Kookaburra.
That's a good start. This is becoming a bit of a trend.
Yeah, it is.
I'm getting hazed.
It is a little bit.
Haven't been in a video for a while, so this is what you do.
You've been punked. Yeah, we've got you doing an unboxing without an unboxing.
When are we getting them? What's the setup?
We believe it's going to be about a week and a half away, but we are allowed to do pre-orders, so we're going to start those rolling now, just for those that are super keen to get the new design. If you haven't seen the design yet, I'm going to flash that up now. So yeah, that's it there. What do you reckon of it, Matt? What's your thoughts?
I love it. I actually quite like it. I think anytime you see something a little different, it's like a bit of my standard catchphrase now. Something a little bit different. However, I don't know about the inclusion of the font from last year's.
They've kept it the same.
Yeah, I love that in the context of last year's with the infamous bird bath incident. But I would have liked to have seen a new font. I don't know because I feel like they could have changed that up a bit. But I actually really love, dare I say, it may even be my favourite of the Kookaburra designs. I like the having two on there. Very cool. It
stands to reason that they'll probably then include that same font for things like the koala and whatever later into next year, but we'll wait and see. So yeah, we've got the 2023 Kookaburra 1 ounces. The 10 ounces and the kilos are still, haven't heard anything from at this stage. But given the fact that the 22 10 ounces only just become available through Perth Mint, I'm not holding my breath.
Yeah, have we got plenty of them? What's the deal? Are we getting a good supply this year, or is it going to be another tight squeeze
with the 1 ounces?
Yeah,
I think we've got quite a few coming through, so we'll keep posting our numbers kind of as we know about them, and we'll absolutely do kind of another video when we actually have them here to unbox rather than just it being a blank table. But once we do, we'll do that video so we can actually take a nice close look up as well.
Yeah, look forward to seeing them.
But yeah, until then, links are in the description if you wanted to put a pre-order together for the 1 ounce, and we'll keep you posted for anything more that we find out.
The 1 ounce and the 10 ounce, or just the 1 ounce?
Just the 1 ounce for now.
All right.
Just the 1 ounce. We'll hold our horses on the other sizes once we know more.
Sounds good.
Thanks for coming down for it, Matt.
Thanks for having me, I guess. Bit of a letdown, but we'll see you all soon.
I'll get you for the next one.
See ya.